Mr. Calix for Math Magicians, and we will continue with our physics course. As promised from the last video, these are the answers uploaded. Today we're going to talk about the language of physics, which is the last part of this section. We will start by saying that just as physicists create simplified models to better understanding of the real world, they use the tools of mathematics to analyze and summarize their observations. And math helps predict what will happen in a new situation. This is why we use tables, graphs, and equations. It's because they can make data easier to understand. We will concentrate on this experiment. It says, two balls falling in a vacuum. This experiment tests Galileo's hypothesis by having two balls with different masses drop simultaneously in a vacuum, as you can see here. In this case, they're using a tennis ball and a golf ball. The results are recorded as a set of numbers corresponding to the times of the fall and the distance each ball falls. A convenient way to organize this data is to form a table as seen here. We will continue with the next part. Physics equations describe relationship. While mathematicians use equations to describe relationship between variables, physicists use the tools of math to describe measured or predicted relationships between physical quantities in a situation. To make expressions as simple as possible, physicists often use letters to describe specific quantities in an equation. For example, the letter V is used to denote speed. Or sometimes we can use Greek letters, the letter delta, which is used to denote difference. To denote difference or a change, as you can see here. Then we have sigma. So another example, which is used to denote the sum or a total. During the whole physics course, we will be seeing more letters or more variables for equations. In this course, symbols that are boldface refer to quantities that have both a magnitude and a direction. Symbols that are idolized refer to quantities with only a magnitude. An example of that can be a variable. Symbols that are neither are usually just units. With this, we continue with the last part of the video, which are some exercises or practice problems that you can use to practice by yourselves. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, physics is life.